Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Mr. Brown, coming at you again live in my dining room. Got it all set up. Sorry for the little messy work area. My eraser didn't bring one from school. What we're going to be working on today is lesson 5, which is a new way to interpret A over B, which is the same way of if we were to have a fraction A over B, pretty much. So we're looking at it as a division problem. So I'm going to skip 5.1, I'm going to move right into 5.2, which is interpreting A over B. So we're going to work on number 1 and number 2 of that, so that's 35 equals 7x, and then 35 equals 11x. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing that same thing that we did in lesson 4, where we look at a problem, we see which side has the variable, and then we're going to do the opposite operation to get to that variable by itself. So we have 35 equals 7x. And this is essentially the 7 times x. Okay? What we're going to be doing is we're going to divide the 7 out. And we're going to have it now being 35 divided by 7. Which, if we know, 7 goes into 35 5 times. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Whew. Sorry guys, it must be my nap time. So therefore x equals 5. Okay? For our next one we have 35 equals 11x. Again, we notice that 11x that's in the black circle is 11 times x. So we're going to do division to isolate that x by itself. And we're going to then do 35 divided by 11. That's going to give us not a whole number, because if we notice, 11 will go into 35 3 times, and then we have a remainder of 2, so we're just going to leave that as a mixed fraction, so our answer is going to be 11, x equals 3 and 2 elevenths. This is pretty much just saying, guys, is that we're interpreting, is that we are going to be saying that 4/5 is a number, and that if we take that 4/5, and what I'm doing right now is I'm reading exactly from a page that's in your packet. This is a lesson 5 summary. So in the past, you learned that a fraction such as 4/5 can be thought of in a few ways. So that 4/5 is a number that you can locate on the number line by dividing the section between 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts, and then counting 4 of those parts to the right of 0. And then we also know that 4/5 is a share that each person would have if 4 wholes are shared equally among 5 people. So that would be dividing 4 by 5. Pretty much what we're doing is we're doing that same ideology and that same thought process, except we're now taking A, it would be the total, and we're going to divide it by B, which would be the number that we're trying to get away from X, okay? And then we know what else I could go with this, because lesson 5 is really short, it is simple, it just seems weird. My suggestion is after you watch this video to read lesson 5 summary for yourself, and then don't even bother doing 5.2 or 5.3 or 5.1, just start working on practice problems for lesson 5, okay? Since I finished this lesson early, what I'm going to ask that you guys do is that you look at the work that you're doing, and then you see what you can do else. If there's a lesson in your packet that you're struggling with, that you find too hard, please reach out for help, either from a parent, me, up here. If they can't help you, you don't want to get in contact with me or a hold of me, Prodigy. Everything I'm putting on Prodigy right now is pretty much what we're working on in class, if that's what you want to call this. And then Khan Academy. Khan Academy will also give you those good videos. You just got to see what the lesson's asking you to do, and then type that into the search bar, and then you can find that. If you can't find that yourself, let me know, and then I will just assign you that lesson. I haven't assigned anything really through Khan Academy because I don't know who is using Khan Academy, and I don't know who's using Prodigy, which I do, but I don't know if you will, okay? If you haven't been on Teams yet, please get on Teams. Miss Marie and I have been on every day. We do meetings at 10:30 and then 1 o'clock every day. Those meetings are for us to check in with you, and just because, I don't know, this is a strange time. I can definitely say that I'm going stir crazy. I have not really left my house in like 8 days, and yeah, I don't know what else to say, guys. But again, shoot me a message if you need any extra help. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. If there's somebody else that you know that would benefit from watching these videos, ask them to subscribe. And yeah, okay, take care.